All right, guys, this is my third time recording because I'm trying not to yap so much, but I'm trying to give you as much information as possible. Looking for some serious help here. 2017 Cayenne Platinum VR6 motor. It's got 148 on the clock. Very well maintained by me. Transfer case fluid changed every other oil change. I changed oil every 7,000 miles. It's got a new starter, which those that know about this car, starter is a pain in the ass to change because of this stupid design intake manifold. So this whole intake manifold came up and the starter was replaced. I also replaced new ignition coils, spark plugs, intake manifold gasket, throttle body gasket, fuel injector O-rings, and I even threw in the aluminum valve cover with the new gasket on there and a belt. So this thing's good to go. So starter has been replaced. Starter relay has been replaced. Brand new battery is in the car now. This is what happens when I start the car. It started happening out of nowhere. You hear that sound? This is what happens. I turn the key. Now, it says this in the dash because it didn't say this before, but after I think after I took out the throttle body and, well, after the battery was, I had the ground disconnected for a while when I was doing all the work. And it said this I think once the motor gets running, it'll be fine again, but, listen, I'll do it a few times. And start. And start. And start. There is a single click up front I hear. Here. There is a click. And the taillights do come on. See? So it's not saying push brake pedal, because if it says remove ignition key now. I don't know why it said that. So if I turn the key without putting my foot on the brake, it says press brake. So it's picking up that I'm pressing the brake. So I'm all out of ideas, guys. I've done almost everything I could do. Not every single thing, but I've checked a lot of the fuses. The fuses all seem fine. Anyone with any idea that could help, please let me know. I'm just trying to get my car running again and, get this thing going at least another 100,000 miles. I think it's got the life in it.